Caroline. I'm April, 16 years old. A-attend po ako sa debut ng best friend ko. This helped me to look stunning and confident sa gabing yun.
Hi April! Maganda ka naman talaga, kaya ang gagawin namin ay improve lang namin ang features mo. So, sagot na namin ang makeover mo. Tara! Use Caroline Oil Control Liquid Makeup in Almond. Meron itong oil control formula na enriched with vitamin E para smooth ang face all day long. For that eyes na sure na mapapansin ng iyong partner sa gabing yan, gumamit ng Caroline Eyeshadow x4 in Cheer Dance. Specially design ito para mag-match ang mga kulay. May metallic finish din ito to make you shine sa night event na ito. Make your lips supple, smooth, and also kissable. Gumamit ng Caroline Magic Lipstick in Avatar. Nagbibigay ito ng richly vibrant shade to the lips na long-lasting at completely moisturized. Here's Caroline Twinny Love Body Spray in Crazy Love to complete your makeover.
Now, I'm more confident to dance with my crush and be the most beautiful for the cotillion. Thanks, Caroline!
With Caroline Cosmetics, kayang-kaya mo nang maging pretty, confident, and fresh. Perfect for it girls like April. Watch out kung sino pa ang iba pang tutulungan namin. For more details, please like Caroline on Facebook.
Ang bahaging ito ay inihatid sa inyo ng Caroline Cosmetics. Busog ka sa balita at gimmick na hatid ng unang